Hi everyone, so today I'm making lengua for Thanksgiving. That cut of meat was about $38, so this is not a budget friendly meal. I added in a pot onion, 2 bay leaves, garlic, and the lengua, and I boiled that bitch for like 6 hours, for real, like 6 hours. I don't know, maybe 5, I don't remember, but I'm making chile de árbol. That I fried up some chile de árbol. I'm gonna make the salsa, so I'm using the chile de árbol that I fried up, and I added 3 cloves of garlic, put in the blender, and then in a separate pan I put like 6 tomatoes and half of an onion that I'm frying up on the side. You don't see that right now, but you'll see in a minute. You got to take the skin off that tongue because that's basically leather. I mean, give it to your dog to play with or something, I don't know. And make a shoe, make a boot out of it. Anyways, I added the tomato and the onion to the blender and blend that bitch up, and then put some salt in there, and it tastes so good. And damn, I outdid myself again. And then to a separate pan, I added some of the grease from the broth, and I put that in there to fry up some onion. Added the lengua that I had chopped up. I'm adding turmeric, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna add some broth from that, from earlier, to keep it moist and to kind of season the meat with. So I don't have, don't add too much salt or whatever. And then serve it up in taco style with some pico de gallo in the salsa, and feed it to your little happy Mexican man, and he'll be happy forever. And you'll be happy, and he'll be happy. Y'all be a little happy little family. All right, thank you. Bye. Here you go. It's good.
Real good. Yeah.
Spicy?
Not real good. Yeah, spicy. Not feel good.